In today's video, let's talk about how to use Shein VIP to get exclusive discounts. Now, before we move on, we need to know what exactly is the Shein VIP. It is a free as well as spend-based loyalty program that is based on a particular scale level. So the more you spend inside of Shein, the more levels that you increase for these exclusive discounts. So members can unlock certain perks such as exclusive milestone coupons or even free shipping vouchers. Now, in order to do this, you need to reach a higher tier. As I said, this is a level based option, so you can make eligible purchase inside of Shein to reach a specific spending threshold to graduate from level 0 to level 3. So there's the three levels that they have. It is called the S0 and the highest level is called the S3 level. As you purchase more items inside of Shein, you will unlock the higher levels. Once you reach these higher levels, you'll be able to get certain benefits such as free shipping as well as flat rate discount coupons that will be deposited into your bank account. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.